This video will guide you through reviewing an OnlyFans management contract. Reviewing this agreement is crucial for both content creators and managers to understand the key terms and implications before signing, and is a popular project request on the Contracts Council platform. If you've received an OnlyFans management contract and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided additional information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing an OnlyFans management contract, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for OnlyFans management contracts. OnlyFans management contracts are legally binding agreements between content creators and managers that significantly impact their professional relationship. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Management services clearly outline the scope of management services being provided, including content creation, marketing, and account management. Compensation. Understand the payment terms, including any percentages or flat fees that the manager will receive and the schedule for payments. Content ownership. Determine who owns the rights to content created and manage any licensing agreements. Compliance with platform rules. Ensure that both parties comply with OnlyFans terms of service and community guidelines. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review an OnlyFans management contract. They can ensure the contract is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. OnlyFans management contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the legal names and details of all parties involved are correctly stated. 2. Scope of work. Clearly outline the services being provided, including the manager's responsibilities and any specific tasks or goals. 3. Compensation and payment terms. Review the manager's compensation, including fees or percentages, and the payment schedule. 4. Exclusivity. Review to see if there are any terms related to exclusivity of the management company. This means the content creator is required to work exclusively with the management company. 5. Term and termination. Understand the length of the contract and any termination clauses, including notice periods and penalties. 6. Confidentiality clause. Ensure there are provisions to protect sensitive information about the content creator and their business. 7. Intellectual property and content ownership. Clarify who owns the content created and how it can be used or licensed by either party. 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. And 9. Compliance with platform rules. Confirm adherence to OnlyFans terms of service and community guidelines. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your OnlyFans management contract is always recommended. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on our data, the average cost to review an OnlyFans management contract is $360 on a flat fee. This is based on 25 recent projects from across all U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors: state or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing an OnlyFans management contract is critical in ensuring a successful professional relationship and protecting your interests. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.